channel. So I know I've been gone for ages, and I will do a video like answering questions on it. I am going to do a Q&A, so if you haven't already, follow me on my social media, link will be here, and yeah, you guys can ask me questions on there for the Q&A coming up soon. But this video, as you can tell by the title and hopefully the makeup, I am going to be filming a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I actually don't think I've ever done one. I think I might have done one, but it was in like an inspired look on my channel, which is like crazy. Like, I've been on YouTube for so long and I haven't filmed like many Valentine's Day makeup, so here we go. When I post this, Valentine's Day will be tomorrow. Hopefully I'll post this on Wednesday, and yeah, Valentine's Day is on Thursday. So yes, whether you're spending Valentine's Day on your own, with your partner, with your girlfriend, with your boyfriend, with your family, with your friends, with your dog. I wish I was spending it with a dog. I haven't got a dog, but I wish I was. So yes, if you would like to see how I got this Valentine's Day inspired makeup look, then just carry on watching. So I just gone ahead and done my foundation. I actually just filmed a review on the Chanel Ultra Wear Flawless Foundation Luminous Matte Finish. So yes, that video will be up soon. So if you want to see how I put this foundation on and like my review of it and how it's lasting, then just check out that video, subscribe, and it will keep you posted when I upload that video. My next step, I'm going to go in with the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade number 1 Lemon. This is literally my favourite concealer. It's the only one I ever use. I used to get the shade Fair, and then they brought the lemon one out, and I was like all about that. I have such bad bags around my eyes at the moment because I just can't sleep lately. So my eyes are showing it, to say the least. I'm going to go in and set my eyes with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Powder in the shade 001 Transparent, and I'm going to use a Real Techniques contour brush to do that. Just quickly set my eyes. And you want to dab this so you're not wiping off the concealer that you've just applied. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with Hoola by Benefit, and I'm going to take this on the Urban Studio. It hasn't got a name. It's like this angled contour brush. It works really, really well for contour. I'm going to take that and just contour the cheekbones. That's the word, cheekbones. Okay, so bronzer done, I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, but first I'm just going to apply some Carmex to my lips so they're nice and moisturised for when we apply the lipstick later. If you've not tried Carmex, please grab it. I always used to use Vaseline and then picked up Carmex, and I will never go back. I absolutely love it. Okay, so moving on to my eyebrows. As always, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Ultra Brow Palette. I need to grab a new one. This is disgusting. I refuse to show you because it is that disgusting. Eyebrow brush. And as always, ever since I've been doing eyebrows, I have used it's gone. It's a Real Techniques brush, and it's like this really little thing, which you probably couldn't see. So yes, I'm going to brush through my brows with the little brush that comes with it, and then I'm going to go in with the wax and just fill in my eyebrows. I'm going to fast forward this. I hate doing my eyebrows on camera, so feel lucky. So that is my eyebrows done and looking like slugs. I am now going to go in with my favourite thing ever. Let me open it. I'm sure you guys know exactly what it is already. The James Charles palette by Morphe. I am absolutely obsessed with this palette. If you haven't seen my video already doing the classic James Charles eye makeup look with it, then I will leave that in the card here. I think it might be here or here. One of the sides. I will leave the video, so just click up there after this video and you can watch that one. I've used it loads. I've just kept it in the box because I'm very like to keep things clean. Because it's Valentine's Day, I'm gonna like try and because the palette is only Showing Her Artist, I'm gonna try and do a pink eye look. I've never done a pink eye look. I'm a little bit nervous because the colours are very bright and it could go really wrong. However, we're gonna go for it. We're gonna try, and you guys will see with me whether it goes right or not. So let's go. Just look at that palette and tell me that you do not want me to use these colours right here. That screams Valentine's Day to me. I hope you can see it in the camera. Yeah, you can. So pretty. So I'm going to go in with the pale pink shade. It's called Pinkity Drinkity, and I'm going to go in on that with on the crease, on with that. So yeah, let's do this. I'm going to take it on the crease, but like a little bit higher up as well, like I've done on this eye. Just so when we put the bright pink down, this colour isn't completely hidden. Okay, now going in with the shade Skip, which is the fluorescent pink. Oh my goodness, look at that. Tap that off, and we're going to carefully go in with this on the crease. Yep, this is pigmented. Oh my goodness. It's always so scary at this point, like I don't want to make a mess of it. So I'm just going to blend that out. That's one thing I love about this palette, the colours are so blendable, like they are very pigmented and can be scary, but they're so blendable that like you can't worry for that long. Okay, so I'm going to take a smaller brush and go in with the colour Love That. It's quite like it's like a purpley colour, more like a plum colour actually. The purple's like underneath it. It's more like a pinky plum, and I'm going to go in and try and deepen up the crease with that. Mainly on the outside because I am going to do a cut crease. So I'm just going to focus this on the outside V but in the crease. I didn't want it to be too harsh. I'm going to take the concealer I used before and I'm going to apply this in the middle of my lid. I'm going to do one first actually, that was a bad idea to think of doing two. I'm going to take the Urban Decay brush that comes with the Naked palettes and just the bottom end of it. Oh no! I'm going to try and sort that out. Might have to do a higher up crease. Oh my goodness, that's so annoying. Okay, I'm just going to roll with it. Obviously it's gone wrong on the eye, but you know, we can blend the pink into it. I'll see what I can do. Right, I am not going to open my eye this time. Keep it down. So that is more like it. I will blend pink into this one and I will fix it somehow. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm very happy with that choice. So you want to take that up to the crease. Basically everywhere you put the concealer, unless like me, you've made a massive mistake. And then we can just fix it. Okay, so that colour didn't stand out as much as I wanted it to, so I've gone in with the shade Sister, which is a lighter pink. We've still got sparkle in, and I just put that over the top of where we've put the colour Shook, because as much as it's a beautiful colour, I think it's a little bit dark for the cut crease I was going for. So I'm going to apply Sister over it. This is what you get when you just go for it and don't really know exactly what you're doing. You end up with a bunch of different colours on, but that's okay, we're dealing with it. That looks so much better, I think. That adds so much more depth to it. Okay, so I'm going to go in and curl my lashes and apply mascara on my top lashes, and then I will finish off the bottom eyeshadow and do my mascara there. Oh, by the way, the mascara I'm using is the Revlon Dramatic Definition Mascara, and this is really good because it's quite a thin end brush, which I like, and it makes my lashes look really long, which is obviously the goal. And that in the outer corner. And And then I'm going to take a little bit of that sister shade and put it right in the inner corner underneath as well. For lipstick, I'm going to go in with this lip liner by Makeup Gallery, which is actually Poundland makeup. And this is in the shade Nude 1, which is just a brown colour. And then I'm going to go over the top with the Technic Colour Max Nude Edition lipstick in the shade... I don't know, but it is just like a brownie nude colour. I'm just going to apply them both onto my lips. And the last thing I'm going to do is go in with the Makeup Revolution highlighter, liquid highlighter in the shade Liquid Starlight. Now this is a little bit pinky, so I'm hoping it'll go well with the eyes. I'm just going to put like the tiniest little bit on my cheekbones, on my nose, Cupid's bow. If it ever goes too much, I just go over with my foundation brush and it just evens it out. Just dab it in. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed me doing my makeup and without a voiceover as well, because I think I'm going to keep it just me speaking. Let me know if you guys like that or like a voiceover more. Please let me know. I'll put a poll up here actually. Either side I'll put a poll up and vote on that for me so I know what you prefer during makeup tutorials, whether you prefer me speaking over or whether you prefer me talking while I do it. So yes, I hope you have a beautiful Valentine's Day. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you very soon with another video. Bye guys!